In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Venmo ATM cash is not received, but you're charged for it. So if you have this particular problem, what you can do is you can open a dispute on Venmo. To do that, the debit card transactions and online purchases cannot be disputed or reported as unauthorized on Venmo app. So for this, you need to contact support to file a dispute. To reach the Venmo support team, go over to Me, Settings, Get Help, and chat with us on your application. You can check out Connect with Support or Contact Us page for other options. Now, go to the Me tab, select the transaction that you want to dispute, tap Need Help, and then select a statement that best describes your situation. Like, for example, the ATM doesn't give me my cash, but I was charged, and after selecting it, just tap Add, tap Next, and add any additional information. Tap Submit Issue, and if prompted, reset your Venmo password if it's unauthorized or if you're having some problems. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.